So last night we were in the garage, wrench on the E30, and now today I'm in California at a Hertz rental, picking up my rental car. So this was probably the most last minute trip I've ever been on, and I'm really excited about it. So I don't know how much I want to give away right now. I guess we'll save it for later, but we're in Cali for the whole week, and it's gonna be insane, so stay tuned. But let's pick a car out. We can pick any of these. Tell me I won't be driving this around. Does this look like my style? This looks right at home. Nissan it is. So I just got the rental car, and now I'm on the way to the hotel. All I can say is tonight we're going to Hoonigan's Burnyard Bash, and it's gonna be insane. Like, if you told me like 4 days ago this was gonna happen, I would have said no. But no, now we're in California and we're gonna be doing cool ass shit. So whatever, let's get to the hotel. I just missed my turn, and fuck. Yes! Now that's culture. So we weren't able to check into the hotel, which is just a huge pain in the ass, but it's whatever. So we're just gonna head up to the Irwindale Speedway a little earlier, get a feel for the Burnyard before all the madness happens. If you guys don't know what the Burnyard Bash is, it's an event that Hoonigan holds at their Burnyard, where it's literally just a giant burnout hoon competition. Winner takes home $5 grand, and what's great about it is anyone can enter with like any car, and pro drivers aren't allowed. So it's gonna make for some pretty interesting content and just a really good time. So yo, Cali's crazy. Like everywhere you go, there's just these big ass hills or mini mountains, whatever you want to call them, just surrounding you. It looks so sick. Like I feel like I'm playing GTA. As you guys can probably tell, I don't get how much. This stuff is so cool. I have no idea what to expect. I really don't. 3 hours before the event even starts, and the lot's filled. There's a lot of crazy cars here. Sweet ride. Oh man, how are you, buddy? Did you just get in? Something like that. All right, so I just got my little VIP pass, which is sick, so I can basically do anything. But the sun is soaring today, so it doesn't just mean I'm gonna get another gnarly hat tan. It means that as soon as the cars start going on the track, we're gonna see probably quite a few radiators pop. There's gonna be coolant all over that course. This is gonna be interesting. Current lineup of cars, and it's only growing, and it's a pretty good variety, not just a bunch of Miatas. Yes. One of everything, my friends. One of everything. Oh my god. I see you. And of course, you can't forget the goddamn Miatas. We'll film some more after I finish these tacos first.
You saw Josh Mason's run just now.
Yeah, that was amazing.
He shredded that. That's crazy.
I thought he was gonna total it.
Same, like 6 different times.
Oh yeah, it was great.
Dude, wild, man. Wild.
These are the ones you gotta watch. It's always like the weird stock car in the lot. Probably an auto.
Auto, and he's got a broken arm, and he's got like a 335 on the back there.
He's got a broken arm?
Yeah.
That's a big factor to this.
Yeah.
He's giving the VIP.
He said I've got a broken arm.
Oh, that's skill. That's skill.
Expectations, he goes full Mustang on us.
Yeah. Which is bad because we're all. Mustang, baby, we called it. This is my man's right here. Alright, weak start.
We're already leaking.
Oh no!
He's playing it safe.
Yeah, it's playing safe.
playing safe, yeah.
That would have been my move after realizing I'd ran out of skill. Good move. Because here's the thing, I'm going to teach you a little trick about the Burnyard. You could come here and be an absolute shredder and no one cares.
Yeah, you're right.
You do a burnout till they can't see your car and then they start to care.
Oh, hell yeah. My man's out here putting in work.
See, this is why that's the VIP section. Check out that prevailing wind. They get all the show.
He's still going.
Cue Metallica.
So what's gonna pop first, the radiator or the tires?
I'm gonna go with simultaneous.
I like that.
Oh, it popped! Oh, right when I stopped recording, it fucking popped.
Let's see the damage, boys. Rod or radiator? Radiator?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You can fix it.
We can fix it.
Nice work.
Oh, thanks, brother.
The amount of tire in the air is crazy, and you know what? I love it so much. This is so much fun. It's so reckless and just like at the core of it sounds so dumb, but it's just so much fun.
Put your hands together for Lucky! It's not even the burnout contest yet, Corey. We haven't even got to the burnout contest yet. What's your name?
Don't suck.
I couldn't if I tried, bro.
Oh my god, this thing's auto?
Yeah, dude, you're about to, did you see it at the last one?
No, I didn't. My boy's in his bag right now. He's about to slay it. What the fuck? What the? Double trouble. I like this.
Hold on. Is this helmet
You guys
SFI rated right now?
all know what we're hoping to see here. Nice work. Was that you?
Yeah,
nice
my car.
work.
Yeah, good looking out, man.
That was great. Dude, I was like, when is this dude gonna stop? Nice work.
Oh, yeah,
Dude was on limiter for 5 minutes straight on a supercharged LS. How is this thing not on
And he's
fire?
also wearing a suit.
just want to let you know that this ground is a mixture between like really, really sticky tire and really, really slippery coolant. It's the weirdest feeling ever. Just so you guys know, 139 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. How? How?
Kind of like, we like our commitment, but we also like the burnout on the side piece, anything like that.
So this is like the burnout portion of the competition. Before it was kind of just like major hoonage, I would say, right? But we'll try to bring the highlights in because 30 minutes worth of burnout probably isn't the best video ever. But
Are you some kind of YouTuber?
Don't you think we should have like
Do I not recognize you?
Are you guys ready for some burnout?
to see some skids?
those guys got the best team.
Wally, you know what to do. Send them out. Let's get this show on the road. We're ready for some skids.
He's hanging out the car. This dude might have more oil smoke than tire smoke. It's a lot better of a burnout than I thought a hard body could do, to tell you the truth. I love this. I can't breathe. Not bad for a hard body. Oh, look at the exhaust glowing. Yes. Oh my God, look at the flames. Whose man's is this? That dude's wife is gonna be pissed. More fire! Alright, so I see a turbocharged Mustang with flames on it, which means something's not gonna go well, or it's just gonna go great.
Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wait a second. Gary's the most athletic firefighter I've ever seen.
seen that technique yet. I give him props for trying.
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. All-wheel drive Bronco.
Oh my God! Why is this thing so fast? This dude's a fucking legend.
Has the marker. Chris James has the marker. The marker?
Is that for me?
No, not for you. It's for me. You want to split it?
Yeah, let's run. All right.
This time around was absolutely incredible. You're in the top 2 right now. Are we going to see you again out here? 100%. This man over here. Scott asked this earlier, and I'm going to ask this again. Have you ever done a burnout like that in your life? No. What gave you the bright idea to come out here and say, this is a good time to try it?
Well, you know, I saw the last one and thought, hey, that looks like a lot of fun. I'm ready to do it.
Here it is, guys. Your Burnyard Nats, champion of the world, the galaxy, the yard. Well, let's give it up for the Broncos! Hold on, let's get the Brian Scotto sign off for approval.
Nice work, kid. Nice work.
All right, well that was probably the craziest event of my life. I can barely breathe, my lungs hurt so bad. Hope the footage was pretty good. Today was kind of all over the place. I'm so exhausted. I've been up since 4 o'clock Eastern time, so. But huge shout to the Hoonigan guys for having me here today. Today was amazing, being at the Burnyard. It was just definitely a bucket list experience, and I can't wait to drive on the Burnyard myself. But I'm gonna leave this week still a little bit of a mystery. Haven't told you guys much yet, but you'll find out in the next couple videos, and it's gonna be a long, sick ass week, so stay tuned. So we're gonna end it here. I'm exhausted. I gotta go edit this and then get to work tomorrow. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and see you guys tomorrow.